Okay, on my last flight, just before I took off, I did a pre-flight, which I always do. Shook the exhaust and found that it had a broken exhaust. Didn't seem like it was that way the time when I landed, but it was like that when I got ready to take off, so I had to fix that. So this is the first flight after that. Clear prop. I think this grass is getting pretty tall, this hayfield, so maybe one of my last flights here too. Here we go. Here's what you'll see that I found on the exhaust right there. These two screws were rubbing back and forth. They're spring loaded, so they're not super tight, but these rings had turned around until the bolts had touched. That made a racket. Scared the heck out of me. I thought I'd lost my exhaust again and was going to have something go through the prop. But as it turned out, it was just an annoying vibration. So anybody has one of these types of exhaust, they are excellent exhaust because usually the bolts and nuts don't come apart. The springs don't fly out into your propeller. They're kind of held in place by the bolts. But and as you can see, it's very dirty. Need to get this thing cleaned up. But yeah, that's what happened, and the weld job that was done on my exhaust looks wonderful. Thank you to that guy there that did that. So yeah, that's what I got. Everything's working great. I just need to turn those and tighten them up a little bit, and I'll be in the air again once the weather cools off.